How can I get to the market? Nagera nte ku isoko. How can I get to the sector headquarter? Nigute nagera ku biro by'umurenge? Can you show me the way to Akagera National Park? Wanyereka umuhanda cyangwa se inzira ijya ku cyanya cy'Akagera? Hello guys, ngura ikaze nanone mu isomo ry'uno munsi. Hari igihe ujya ahantu utazi ugakenera kuyoboza inzira, ugakenera kubaza umuntu umuhanda werekera aho ugiye. Birashoboka ko wisanze ahantu bigusaba gukoresha ururimi rw'icyongereza kandi ukamenya kuyoboza. Birashoboka ko nanone waba waratembereye mu bihugu byo hanze bikenera gukoresha ururimi rw'icyongereza, cyangwa se birashoboka ko nawe byazakubaho. Ni ngombwa rero ko twiga uburyo bwo kuyoboza inzira mu rurimi rw'icyongereza. So ngwaye ikaze rero mu isomo ry'uno munsi. Ni ya gahunda tuyaye kwiga icyongereza, ni isomo rya 17. Tugiye kwiga kubaza inzira, kuyoboza inzira yaho werekeje. Geri mwarimu wanyu Eric Bunani. So welcome to today's lesson. This is Language Booster TV, the YouTube channel which helps you to learn 3 languages: English, Kinyarwanda and Kiswahili. Ni wa muyoboro wawe uhora ukuzirikana kandi kwitaho. Language Booster TV, umuyoboro ugambiriye kukwigisha indimi 3: Ikinyarwanda, Icyongereza ndetse n'igiswahili. Tugiye kurebera hamwe uburyo wayobora cyangwa se wayoboza aho werekeje. Ku bantu bageze kuno muyoboro bwa mbere, tubahaye ikaze kandi turabishimiye. Kugira ngo utazacirwa n'amasomo ashishwa kuno muyoboro, kora subscribe, kanda subscribe kugira ngo ujye ubona message, ukande no kukazogera kugira ngo ujye urushaho kubona notification. For the first viewer, the one who has encountered this channel for the first time, you have to subscribe so that you can get notified. Click on the bell icon so that you can get notification as soon as possible. The new video is uploaded here. Wonderful. I'm your teacher Eric, so welcome. This video aims to help you to know how to ask direction, how to ask or giving directions in English and Kinyarwanda. So here there are some expressions we use. We are going to see at least 6 expressions, 6 important expressions you can use to ask for direction. Tugiye kureba imvugo z'icyongereza esheshatu z'ingenzi zagufasha kuyoboza, wakoresha uri kuyoboza aho ugiye mu rurimi rw'icyongereza. So our main purpose is to know English and speak it since now, right now. Start to speak, try to apply what you have learned in your conversation, right? Do you know where is? How can I get to? How far is to? How far is to? These are some expressions we use when we are asking directions, but there are many. We are going to see top 6 expressions that we can use to ask for direction, right? This video will help both Kinyarwanda speakers and English speakers. Maybe you have traveled to the place where you have never gone before. When you never go before, have you ever needed to ask for direction? How have you ever been asked to direct someone? Maybe in this lesson we are going to learn in Kinyarwanda and English how to give or ask directions. So the first expression is, do you know where? Then you add the place you are going. Is, do you know where? Is nivango akantu kambere tugomba gufata mu mutwe iyo uri kubaza kuyoboza. Nivango do you know where? Ukuzuza aho hantu uri kuyoboza. Then is, ukasoresha is. Let us take example. Do you know where? Ni kuyoboza kuri restaurant, niyo mpamvu ari igomba guhita ukurikira where. Do you know where? Ni ngombwa gufata aka kantu kugira ngo urusheho kumenya kuyoboza. Do you know where? Do you know where restaurant is? Do you know where stadium is? Do you know where car park is? Do you know where the district office is? Hagati ya where na is agomba kujya aho hantu uri kuyoboza. Do you know where the teacher office is? Do you know where the market is? Do you know where the hospital is? Yeah, you complete. Akandizera ko kugafata bikakunanira. So in Kinyarwanda, when we say do you know where is, it is wabuzi aho ukuzuzaho icyo kintu kiri cyangwa se giherereye. Wabuzaho restaurant iherereye. Excuse me, do you know where stadium is? Ese wabuzi aho stade iherereye? Please, do you know where the car park is? Ese wabuzi aho gare iherereye? Ya iri nyobora. Wabuzi aho gare iherereye? Please, do you know where the district office is? Ese wabuzi aho ibiro by'akarere biherereye? So you can use excuse me. Akajambo excuse me na akajambo twifashisha tugaragaza nyine discipline. Bigiye gusaba umuntu mu buryo bwa discipline, ukagaragaza polite in polite way. You can use excuse or please. Excuse me or please. The second expression is how can I get to? Then you complete with the place you are asking for. How can I get to? Nuvango uburyo bwa kabiri bwo kubuyoboza ni gukoresha kakajambo how can I get to? How can I get to? Okay, then ukuzuzaho aho uri kuyoboza. How can I get to bus station from here? Nigute nagera ku cyicaro cya bisi aho bisi ziparika uturutse hano? Nanyura nigute nagera? How can I get to the market? How can I get to the sector headquarter? How can I get to the library? So in Kinyarwanda, how can I get to? Nukubaza ngo nigute nagera? Nagera ku cyicaro cya bisi nte nurutse aha. How can I get to the market? Nagera ne ku isoko. How can I get to the sector headquarter? Nigute nagera ku biro by'umurenge. How can I get to the library? Nigute nagera ku isomero. So these expressions are also very important, and I hope it is very easy to use it. Imvugo aka kantu kugafata ndatekereza bitagoye. Ufata how can I get ukongera ukuzuzaho aho ushaka aho uri kuyoboza, aho uri kubaza ko umuntu yakuyobora. How can I get to the market? How can I get to the restaurant? How can I get to Batos Hotel? How can I get to Galileo Hotel? How can I get to Mount Kenya University? How can I get... Yeah. Akanako karoroshye rwose. So the third expression is, could you tell me how to get to? Yes, try to master this. Try to master this expression. Could you tell me how to get to? Could you tell me how to get to? Repeat. Gerageza subiremo. Could you tell me how to get to? Ukuzuzaho aho ushaka kugera. Could you tell me how to get to? All right. I hope this one is also easy. Nabyo bidatekereza kakanu koroshye nako kukavuga. Could you tell me how to get to police station? Ese wambwira uko nagera ku cyicaro cya polisi? Could you tell me how to get to police station? Could you tell me how to get to SDA church? Ese wambwira uko nagera ku rusengero rwa Adventist umunsi wa karindwi naca hehe? Could you tell me how to get to the district hospital? Wambwira uko nagera ku bitaro by'akarere? Wambwira uko nagera ku bitaro by'akarere? Could you tell me how to get to the district hospital? But I hope this expression also is very important. Ndatekereza ino mvugo nayo ari ingenzi cyane kandi iroroshye kuyifata. Ntuzongere kunanirwa kuyoboza, utazisanga mu gihugu cy'amahanga ugasanga urabuze iyo werekera. Kandi Rengo Igipusa TV tuhari kugira ngo tubafashe kuvuga icyongereza aka kanya. Gahunda ni icyongereza isomo rya 17. Turi kwiga kuyoboza ndetse no kuyobora umuntu runaka aho ashaka kujya. Right, we are learning to direct people or ask for directions. All right, so the fourth expression is, can you show me the way to? Can you show me the way to? So that to is followed by the place you are asking to know, the place you are asking the direction to that place. Iriya to ariya turiya tudomo turi harakurikira uruzuzaho nyine aho ushaka kuyoboza. Can you show me the way to the post office? Can you show me the way to Akagera National Park? Can you show me the way to Musanze district? Can you show me the way to? Bisobanuye iki? Wanyereka inzira ijya ku kuzuzaho aho ushaka kuyoboza. Wanyereka inzira ijya ku biro by'iposita. Can you show me the way to or post office? Can you show me the way to Akagera National Park? Wanyereka umuhanda cyangwa se inzira ijya ku cyanya cy'Akagera. Can you show me the way to Musanze district? Wanyereka umuhanda ugana i Musanze. Wanyereka umuhanda ugana i Musanze. All right. The fifth expression is, we can use where is. This one is very simple. Where is. It is very simple to master it. Where is the head teacher office? Where is followed by the place you are asking. Where is the head teacher office? Ibiro by'umuyobozi w'ishuri ni birihe, biherereye he? Ibiro by'umuyobozi w'ishuri biherereye he? Where is the bus station? Icyicaro cya bisi kibahe cyangwa se giherereye he? Where is the library in this school? Ese isomero riherereye he muri iki kigo? Where is the BK arena? Then say BK arena iherereye he? All right, this one also, it is very simple. Never go astray, never miss the way. Yet Language Booster TV is here to teach you English in its real context. No kuvuga ngo ntuzigere uyoba inzira, kandi Language Booster TV tuhakubereye kugira ngo tugufashe kwiga Icyongereza. Twandikire muri comment tubwire n'irindi somo wifuza ko twakwigisha mu Cyongereza. Twiga Icyongereza ariko hahandi gikoreshwa, hamwe gikenewe, apana ibintu byo kujya mu mategeko n'amabwiriza n'ibintu byinshi. Rero ko twiga Icyongereza tukamenya kukivuga uhereye nonaha. Ntabwo ari ngombwa rwose gutegereza igihe kirekire, kandi turahari kugira ngo tubafashe. The last expression we use when we are directing, indi mvugo dukoresha turi kuyobora, it is this one. What is the fastest way to? Kuzuzaho aho ushaka kugana. Hano ubashije ngo iki? Ni iyihe nzira ya bugufi ijya ku cyangwa se igera ku? Yeah. What is the fast way to Kigali? Ni iyihe nzira ya bugufi igera i Kigali cyangwa se ijya i Kigali? What is the fastest way to gas station? None se inzira igana kuri station ya petrol ni iyihe? Iya bugufi, inzira ya bugufi igera kuri station ni iyihe? What is the fastest way to Muhira hospital? Mbega mama, ni iyihe nzira ya bugufi igera ku bitaro bya Muhira? All right, these are 6 expressions we use when we are asking for direction. Dear friend, how was the lesson? Ese tuti mukunzi isomo uribonye uti? Have you learned anything? Haba hari icyo wigiye muri no somo? Tell us in comment. Tubwire muri comment. Write at least 2 sentences asking direction to know whether you have learned, you have mastered the ways of asking direction. Kwandikira interuro ebyiri muri comment uyoboza ahantu runaka kugira ngo turebe niba wamaze kumenya uko bikorwa. Okay? Right. I'm waiting for your comments. You can ask questions, ushobora kubaza ikibazo. You can suggest the next lesson, ushobora gusaba isomo wifuza ko tuzakwigisha ubutaha. You can also ask clarification, ushobora gusobanuza But also, let me tell you this one, you can also advertise your business. Did you know that you can advertise your business and reach to the broader audience all over the world? Yes, Language Booster TV it can be accessed wherever you are. So you can reach to your customers. You can get new customers of your business. Right. Turakwamamariza ibikorwa bya bikagera kure kuko Language Booster TV igera ahantu kure, nta limit igira. Umuyoboro wacu ugera ahantu kure kandi twagufasha kugira ngo ubone abakiriya benshi kandi bashya, ibikorwa byawe bikamenyekana. So contact us via WhatsApp number that is displayed on your screen. Kwandikire kuri nimero WhatsApp iri gucishwa ku rubuga kuri iyo screen uri kureberaho iyi video. Twatiri kureba uburyo bwo kuyoboza, nibwo twaturimo turareba. So the first way is the first expression, imvugo ya mbere twabonye, it is do you know where is? Do you know where is? Iyo ni imvugo ya mbere. Twagiye tubona ingero. How can I get to? Ni ya kabiri. Twagiye tubona ingero. Could you tell me how to get to? Iyo nayo ni imvugo ya gatatu twabonye. Imvugo ya kane, can you show me the way to? Imvugo ya gatanu twabonye is where is the teacher office? Iyo ni imvugo ya kane ya gatanu. Hanyuma imvugo ya nyuma turebye cyangwa se akantu ka nyuma kagufasha kuyoboza nakagira ngo what is the fastest way to? Inzira ya bugufi igana ahantu runaka, kuzuzaho ahantu uri kubaza. So thank you dear friend for thank you very much for watching this video. There is another expression, ari indi mvugo nibagiye kubabwira ya karindwi. Another expressions, how far is it to? How far is it to? How far is it to stadium from here? How far is it to Butare from Kigali? How far is it to Huye to Nyaruguru? So iyi nayo ni indi expression wakoresha ariko tuzayireba byimbitse ubutaha. So the main are these 6 zine sheshatu ndifuza karizo ufata kugira ngo urusheho kumenya kuyoboza aho waba wisanza hariho hose. So see you again. Ndabakunda cyane. I love you so much. I'm your teacher Eric Bunani. Ni mwarimu wanyu bakunda kandi ubitaho Bunani Eric. This is Language Booster TV. Our purpose is to learn English, Kiswahili and Kinyarwanda. Intego yacu ni kwiga Kiswahili, Cyongereza ndetse n'Ikinyarwanda. I hope you have subscribed. If you have not done it, niba utari warabikoze, turatekereza amaze gukora subscribe kugira utazacikwa n'andi masomo. Like, share and comment about this video. See you again. Bye bye.